Hey everyone, check out this super slick mask hover reveal animation on this premium website that caught my eye. And today I'm going to show you how to build this smooth interactive mask reveal cursor effect yourself using React, Motion, and Tailwind CSS. It's perfect for modern portfolios, landing pages, or any site that needs that wow factor. And the best part, it's easier than you think. So here we have got something similar, like this effect with the cursor. It's hovering and it's getting bigger and revealing the under text. So let's make this interactive mask cursor effect. So here I got a very simple layout in the page that is the two container, that is one is this and second one is this. Just see, it's this container and this container, and also I've got a hook that will give me the mouse position. So let's call the hook first. So let's create a state. And let's define the size. So let's just add the mask SVG. So I have got this cursor SVG. You can make your own. It's very easy. And in the mask, so let's see how it looks. Okay, we have to make it a client component because useState is a client hook, and I also use the mouse hook. Now the mask layer is working, like it's repeating itself all the way. So let's just say that. Let's give it a mask size and then give it a color position of absolute. Then let's define the color. So as you can see, it's positioned here in the top corner because we don't do anything with it right now with the JavaScript. Let's make this div with motion. Let's just define this animate property. So now let's see what it does. It's moving, but it's not looking so good. Let's give it a transition. So now let's have a look. Now it's looking a lot better. So let's just add some styles for the p tag and the span tag. So now let's check this out. Okay. But it's not hovering, right? It's supposed to hover like this much big, but it's not. Let's make that. Okay, let's check now. And that's pretty much of it. So our cursor mask reveal animation comes alive from a tiny hover effect to a fully interactive, smooth animation. Now you can add this magic to your own project. Try it out yourself and see what creative twists you can add. I'd love to see what you create with this. Share it in the comments so I can check it out. I'd love to hear from you. What animation should I build next? Drop your ideas in the comments below and I might feature them in the next video. Till then, bye bye.